back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my Samsung Z Flip 5 which I ordered recently. This phone I'll be using as the secondary phone, as my main phone is going to be the iPhone. I've been an iPhone user for a couple of years now, but then I was really obsessed with this phone because it somewhat reminded me of the Moto flip phone which used to be there, but unfortunately I could never afford it to use it. So this is my first time that I'm going to be using a flip phone. So I have ordered the cream color with the 512 GB, and so I have taken the storage with 512 GB because I like to click a lot of pictures and videos, so I want to store them in my one phone so everything stays in one place. This phone was delivered in the morning when this setup was not ready, so I could not wait, and I just opened it. But just for your review, I'm going to open it back. When I actually unboxed it in the morning, there was this tiny sticker over it which I removed. So here you go. This is so pretty. I'm really obsessed with this. So as you can see, you'll be able to see that my always on display is there because I had opened it in the morning. So let's fold it. This is really so handy and compact and very easy to carry. I have ordered some cases for it, but unfortunately they have not been delivered yet, and we have to wait for another a week or so. If you press and hold here, you can also change the display, how it looks in this flex window. So let's take the hard one for now. So this is how my home screen looks like right now, because I've been installing the apps and they have still been installing. So without wasting time, I'm really a pinkish girl, so I like everything to be of my pink. So let's go on and change the theme first of all. So you pretty much get a lot of themes, but I prefer something in pink, so I choose the pink color. And then of course the ones which are free for now. Now let's see, we'll take this theme, so I go to download, because mainly I just want to see how it looks. I'm going to click on apply. That's cute. Right now there's nothing on my home screen and I'm going to customize it. I'm going to get back to you on maybe in my next video. So as you can see, this is how the keyboard This is how the keypad looks like, and this is how the background looks like. I'll show you everyone that the old phone that I used to use was the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which I really loved. So I'm going to be giving away this phone, and this was a theme that I had. I wish I can use the same theme onto this phone. Luckily, if I find the same one. Oh yes, it's here my friends, and it's unfortunately now a paid app, a paid theme, because it also gives a customized lovely flax window theme too. So you see there are many over here, and I'm gonna apply it and just want to see how it's gonna look like. So now this phone already gives you a screen protector. It is already there applied for the phone. So, and the thing that they have said is like not to remove it, because if you remove the screen protector from here, it's going to like somewhat damage your phone. So we're not going to do that. I'm going to close it and see how my flex window looks like. So this is my always on display. It shows the time, and if I tap on it, oh wow, that's so pretty. Just see everyone, it is so cute. So this is how like my theme looks like, and from here I can also use the other apps. I'm going to do those changes. Alright everyone, I have done it. Yeah. So yes, I have done it perfectly. Look at it. It's perfect. And I'm going to set up everything of mine. Protectors, because I'm not going to use any other lens protector, because I need to use the cases, and if I use the other lens protectors, I'm basically not be able to use any specific case. So it has like a border, an edge around the lens, each lens, so it easily, the lens protector easily goes in, and then you can just give one tap and it is good to go. So now what we're going to do is, I have installed the Good Lock from the Galaxy store. So we need to get the Good Lock app. Now what this app does is it allows us to install applications that Samsung has come up with, which is going to allow us to use some of the apps from the flex window that is on the cover image. So from this Good Locks, we need to go, there are two sections, there is the makeup and the life up. So we are going to go to life up, and we are going to select the multi-star, and we are going to install the multi-star. Now you can see I've already installed the multi-star. So just click on that, and we click on the Galaxy foldable. From here we click on the launcher widget, and here we need to put in which apps we want to use in the flex window. So you can see its design is also showing you the same way how it will come up. So these are all the apps over here which are there on your mobile. So you just need to select, grab in whichever app you want, and once you're done, just go back and just fold your phone to close it. And that's my always on display. Double tap and you will get all the apps, all the shortcut widgets that you have put here. Like you have the calendar widget, and I have the Good Lock which we have just done. So the benefit of this app is that you can use all of these applications from outside. So there you go. You get to see all of the applications over here, so you can directly watch any of the videos or anything that you want directly from here. So that's pretty much cool, because you don't have to open your phone to watch all the videos that you like, and you get two mini buttons over here automatically which says back. So click on back, right, and you can close directly. If you go back to flex window, you have the Facebook, Google, Insta, that the apps that I have installed. Also you can add whatever widgets you want. You just need to press and hold, and you can choose whichever screensaver you want. We can also add some of the widgets, like we can also add some GIF images. Now you need to firstly install the GIF images, and again back again we go to the lock screen, add new, and we go to the gallery and we select the GIF image that we want, and we can see how it is going to look like. You can adjust how you want it to appear, and first one and there will be no time shown. Or if you wanted to appear somewhere, then you can adjust it however you want it to appear. So I can take this, I can readjust it, whatever color I want or where I want its position to be. So I think I'll keep it over here and I'll a little bit enlarge the size of it. So it's gonna be a bit visible to me. Maybe I keep it. Once you're done, we just click on done and we go back to the phone. Double tap and you're gonna get the and there you see this is how it looks like when you tap it. It looks pretty very nice, isn't it? So I hope you all enjoyed watching my video, today's unboxing of the Z Flip 5. I'm really looking forward to enjoy it and I really want my cases to arrive soon. As you can see, there is no gaps, so this is really nice. One thing I have realized is when it was put to charge, when I touch over here, I could get some sensation, some feeling. So be careful of that it is a little bit shocky. And you all have enjoyed watching this video, and I was really happy to receive my phone, and I'm looking forward to use it more and more in my day-to-day life. This is really compact and easy to handle wherever you go. So it's really cool, and I'm in love with it.